Hbar or Hedera is quietly growing in the background, with many of you invested and asking me each day, where do I think my price predictions are and what is going on? And well, basically, should I be looking to take a position? Now, I want to break down some key things that have happened with Hbar over the course of the last couple of days in relation to stablecoins, how the actual ecosystem is performing, and why is the price not going up? So if you're interested in keeping up to date with all the things that are going on in the crypto markets, Hbar, Algorand, XRP, Bitcoin, and everything else, this is the channel for you. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, click on the notification bell. Make sure that is selected to all. Then you are notified of all of our daily updates and our live streams where you can come and ask all the questions you need about this crypto market. So with that being said, let's get into exactly what's going on with Hbar. Now, there's been lots of discussions recently about payroll, and more importantly, how businesses can truly use cryptocurrency, decentralized finance to support them in the workplace. And guess what? Well, Hedera is absolutely setting out to do that. They have been working tirelessly in terms of stablecoin integration and getting businesses to really use this coin. Now, the reality is it isn't going particularly well. And in fact, we are seeing businesses move slightly away. We've recently seen moves into such coins as XDC or Zebek as an example, the new kids on the block. But that doesn't mean anything when we start talking about the native cryptocurrency of the Hedera network, which is Hbar. Well, how does this play out? Well, think about this. Employees getting paid in Hbar means they have to manage unpredictable salary values, which can be pretty stressful. If you think about, Bitcoin in general, and we heard a lot of people being paid in Bitcoin, it fluctuates. Volatility is the aim of the game, and that's why so many of us are in here. Now, not everyone, however, is comfortable in the crypto world with that uncertainty. Many people just want to know what they're going to get, which is why my belief, by the way, is that fear never really goes away. However, what does it look like from a regulatory standpoint? Well, there's a legal side. The rules around cryptocurrency keep changing, although we do know that Paul Atkins is trying to bring some regulatory clarity to it. But staying compliant can be really complicated. And this, at the minute, is why businesses just don't want to do it. You either have to get them to completely sign up to whether it be on the Hbar ecosystem, the Zebek ecosystem, or basically whatever it is, but you can't at the minute have both sides. Traditional finance, but decentralized finance just simply doesn't work. That doesn't mean, though, stablecoins aren't going to make that happen. And this is where I think Hedera and Hbar are doing it very, very well. In fact, when you take a look at what's going on in their ecosystem right now, and this is why it's really important with stablecoins. As you can see here, the stablecoin market cap on Hedera currently sitting around $150.74 million and is growing. And this is important. You can see here the chart just above my head. It is 112% over the course of the last 7 days. This is very bullish if you were thinking of integrating here. So in summary, what does it mean for the path forward? Well, in short, the future of the crypto payroll is, well, shaped by Hbar's volatility. As companies and employees figure things out, stablecoins will be a key factor of this, ensuring financial security and operational stability. So you're not going to get paid in Hbar tokens, but you might get paid with stablecoins on the Hedera network, which would be very bullish indeed. Now, you may be thinking, hold on a minute, 2Bit. How is this important and why have you started with this? The reality is right now we are seeing interest increasing specifically when it comes to Hedera. More people are curious, especially when you look worldwide. And in fact, take a look here over the last 7 days. We're actually seeing a nice, once again, uptrend in people searching about what's going on. This means that the word is finally getting out. And as we get nearer to November 17th, the ISO 222, well, I would expect this to grow. Therefore, I'd expect lots more people to be looking into coins such as Hbar, Algorand, XRP, XDC, and all those particular ISO compliant coins. Very bullish indeed. And then you sort of say, well, with all of that news, we got this, the State of Wyoming Stable Token Commission, in which basically they were going to use Hedera as their integration for the stablecoin market, which is, again, very good. The first state, in fact, to ever do it. The supply characteristics for each type means use and issue and maintain the managed Wyoming stablecoins in a manner as required from redemption. Great news. However, well, the price didn't really care. Nothing really happened, and everything just kind of went by the by that no one really talked about. That's why you need to make sure you're smashing that like button on this video, because people need to understand what is coming with Hbar. And if you're looking at these ISO 222 coins, it might be the next big mover. Obviously, XRP is a big player right now, but that's nearly $3. Hbar, 21 cents. So What are some key fundamentals to look at? Well, look, support is now holding at the 21 cent range. In fact, had a pretty good day over the last 24 hours. Resistance, though, at that 22, and selling pressure intensifies above the 77.6 million volume. There's multiple support breaks at 22. Again, really a key level to look out for, but social metrics did drop to 55% to 0.74, showing retail exodus or not willing to come into the market. But smart money index at 1.01 confirms professional trader retreat, and the key 0.19 support threatened by accelerating seller pressure. So right now, Hedera could end up being an absolute steal to get involved in if you believe long-term in what they're building, and more importantly, how they're going to build this particular project out. Is stablecoin markets the factor? I think so. In this bull run, they're going to be important for institutions and how you basically mitigate volatility coming out of the bull market and going into the, let's call it the downtrend market. Well, I think Hbar is well poised to deliver on all of those metrics, and with the ISO compliance, well, I just think Hbar, it's a slow burner. It's coming to the market. You just don't want to miss out, in my opinion. Anyway, never financial advice on this channel. We just kind of keep you updated on what's going on in the market. So make sure you smash up that like button. And again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That notification bell is dead easy. Head down there right now. Click it, click all. That means you get updated every single time we upload some content. And we appreciate your support. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.